everyone. My name is Ujjwal Kumar. I am studying in GM University of CSE IY department. Assignment is to develop a Python program that process customer reviews. Our team members are Sagar Arsikere and Sagar Biradar. So let's get started.
Myself, Sagar S. Biradar. Introductions. This assignment explores the fundamental task of the processing customer review data using Python. A core element is the dynamic section between Python list and typical data structure. Ultimately, it produces a fundamental understanding of a data structure section in the text processing workflow.
My name is Sagar Asikere. So the objective of this assignment is progress text, tokenize review and remove stop words using Python, dynamic data choice, select list from modification or tuples from immutability, compare efficiency, understand list tuple performance conceptually, justify selection, explain why a specific data structure is chosen, prepare for analysis, generate clean word collections for further tasks, apply program skill, solve a practical data process problem.
So the problem description of our assignment is was that develop a Python program to process customer reviews. Second is implement tokenization and stop word removal techniques. And dynamically select between a Python list and tuple for storing processed words. And a list using a list if further modification are expected. And use a tuple for secure storage when no modification are needed. So the tokenization will be started with Sagar.
Develop a Python function that expect the review string. Next point, utilize the regular expression to split the string into individual word handling, version, punctuation. Create a predefined set containing common English stop word. For that example is the and is.
Decision for employ and condition that evaluates a Boolean variable. Example will modify. If will modify is true, initialize an empty Python list to store the processed words. Use an else block corresponding to the if condition. If will modify is false, create a Python tuple condition to process words.
So the code implementation of this Python program will be first we will import RE in which is a module which provides regular expression operations. So the next is def process customer review, which is a user defined function. In this, we will take a review as a string input, and then its argument, which is review customer review text, which needs modification boolean. In this, takes a boolean flag needs modification if a true, a list will be used, otherwise a tuple. And then we will returns a value in a form of tuple containing original review. And after that is a word in which we will review the lower lower form and split in which it converts the review to lowercase and splits it into a list of individual words in separately and based on space. It will be a basic string manipulation technique which I will be using in our assignment. And if there is need of needs modification in the assignment, if need modification is true, a list is created. There will be a list created from the words. A message indicates in that why a list is chosen. Else, if there is a need of modification is false, a tuple is created from words, and then a message will be generated. After that, it will returns the value processed data after the tuple. And if name block in which a sample review text is defined. So the next is if name is equal to main. That is a simple review text is if defined. And in review one, the message will be shown like this: that this product is really great and I love it. This is the message which will be shown in review one. And in review two, the message shown will be the service was slow, but the staff was very helpful like this. Then the will print processing review, which is a modified letter. And once the with need modification true to demonstrate the list creation of list. Once the needs modification false to demonstrate the creation of tuple. If there is a modification, we will create a list, and if there is no modification, we will create a tuple and store it. Um, so the output of this code is first the processing review one, which will be modified later. That is original review. This product is really great and I love it. The process words on list are this product is really great and I love it. And then review two, which will no further modification needed, like which is in tuple, is the service was slow, but the staff was very helpful, which is which is stored in tuple. So that was a code.
So the conclusion of this assignment is the assignment installed customer review processing with Python, focusing on basic tokenization. The program dynamically chosen between mutable lists for potential modifications and immutable tuples. For suitable storage, the decision-based and anticipate operations highlighted the strategy use of data structure in text progress. Select the right structure, optimize efficiency, and ensure data integrity. The exercise provides a foundation for handling textual data in more advanced NLP tasks.
This was the my Python assignment. Thank you.